Hola amigos, Hannah from Speak Better Spanish here. Today we are going to be learning how to use tener que, deber, and hay que in Spanish. We'll break it down so you always get them right. So let's start with tener que. This means to have to do something as a personal obligation. Here's an example. Tengo que trabajar mañana. I have to work tomorrow. Tienes que estudiar más. You have to study more. A common mistake is forgetting to put the que in and just saying tengo estudiar. We got to remember that que and we have to say tengo que estudiar. It's not possible to make the sentence tengo estudiar. So keep that in mind. Tener conjugated plus que plus an infinitive. Now we're going to talk about deber. This can translate as should or must. So this is more of a strong recommendation or a moral obligation rather than necessarily a personal obligation like what we talked about with tener que, right? So deber, strong recommendation or moral obligation. Example, debes hacer más ejercicio. You should exercise more. Or deberíamos ayudar a los demás. We should help others. A cultural insight, in some Latin American countries, debería sounds softer than debes. So it can be a little bit gentler way to make a suggestion or give polite advice. Challenge for you, translate this sentence. You should drink more water. You can translate it in the comment section below and I'll respond to you. And finally, let's talk about hay que. So this is for general obligation. So not a specific person, but just in general. Here's an example. Hay que reciclar más. People must recycle more. Or hay que llegar temprano. One must arrive early. So not talking about you specifically, just a general statement. Common mistake. Sometimes people who are learning Spanish will want to conjugate hay que. Remember, it always stays the same. We're just going to see it as I. There's not going to be a yo form. There's not going to be a tu form. We're just going to use it always as hay que. A challenge, create a sentence using hay que about a general rule or general recommendation. You can drop that in the comment section below and I will correct. So now you know the difference between tener que, deber, and hay que. Like and subscribe for more Spanish tips, and I'll see you in the next video.